At our international school, science isn't just a subject. It's a hands-on journey to innovation, exploration and discovery for every student. It ignites a spark that can fuel a lifelong love of the sciences. Whether it be biological sciences, chemical sciences or physical sciences, we have every avenue here for students to fulfill all of their dreams in this field. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to create our own carbon dioxide, okay? So the way we're going to do it is, in here we have acetic acid, okay? And in here we have sodium bicarbonate, okay? So what we're going to do is drop that sodium bicarbonate in here. There'll be a chemical reaction.